Welcome to Algebra. In this lesson, we are going to learn a very fast and efficient way to graph linear equations called the intercept method. This technique uses two special points to define a line. Before we graph, we need to understand what an intercept is. An intercept is simply where a line crosses an axis. The X-intercept is the point where the line crosses the horizontal x-axis. At this specific point, the vertical y value is always 0. The Y-intercept is where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. At this point, the horizontal x value is always 0. Here is the core logic behind this method. Because the axes represent 0 values, we can find one coordinate by setting the other variable to 0. To find the x-intercept, we set y to 0. To find the y-intercept, we set x to 0. It is a simple swap. Let's apply this to an example. Consider the equation 3x minus 2y equals 12. This equation is in standard form, where the x and y terms are on one side. This is the perfect scenario for using the intercept method. Step 1. Let's find the x-intercept. We substitute 0 for y when we do this. The term minus 2y completely disappears because anything times 0 is 0. We are left with the simple equation 3x equals 12. Dividing both sides by 3, we get x equals 4. So our first point is 4, 0. Step 2. Now we find the y-intercept. This time, we substitute 0 for x. The term 3x disappears. Be careful with the negative sign here. We are left with negative 2y equals 12. Dividing by negative 2, we get y equals negative 6. Our second point is 0, negative 6. Step 3 is the fun part. We simply plot our 2 points on the coordinate plane. We place a dot at 4 on the x-axis and a dot at negative 6 on the y-axis. Then, we take a ruler and draw a straight line passing through both points. That is our graph. So when should you use this technique? It is best used for equations in standard form, like a x plus b, y equals c. It is often much faster than rearranging the equation into slope-intercept form. Plus, for many textbook problems, the numbers divide evenly, giving you nice integer points to plot. There is one special case you must watch out for. If your equation equals 0, like 2x minus y equals 0, the line passes through the origin. This means both the x and y-intercepts are the same point, 0, 0. Since you need 2 distinct points to draw a line, you will have to pick another random value for x to find a second point. To summarize the intercept method, first, set y to 0 to find x second, set x to 0 to find y finally, plot your 2 intercepts and connect them. It is sometimes called the cover-up method because you can literally cover up one term with your finger to solve for the other.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.